Hi, this is Martinet, presenting my project for HackTheMoney GodModeForTest. As we know, millions of funds are being managed in DeFi, and naturally we want a secure system. We want the system tested. However, this is challenging, especially for DeFi projects. First, it is hard to replicate the mainnet structure of other projects on Ganache. For example, just imagine deploying the whole MakerDAO system on your local Ganache. So people, of course, use testnet for that. However, it is also challenging because of the DeFi composability. On testnet, testnet only simulates mainnet structure within the project, but not between projects. And I quote this from our fellow hacker on a public channel. Small rant here, on testnet, Compound and Avi are using different DAI mocks. Another option, which is using Ganache with the forked option, could overcome this, but there are other issues as well. And this is mainly because code is law. You fork from a given state and you have to follow all the rules. And it will be hard, for example, to get some tokens, let alone creating different scenarios for testing. Again, here I'm quoting one of our mentors, Mariano, when he was answering a question on how to obtain DAI. You won't be able to mint directly. For minting DAI, you need to go through the whole open vault, lock up collateral, mint DAI cycle. That's why better off just mocking an ERC20. So this makes it very difficult to set up testing environment for DeFi projects that wants to build on other money Legos. Thus, what I built is to overcome this code is law issue in local blockchain. GodModeForTest consists of 3 pieces: a modified Ganache core that can ignore blockchain law and arbitrarily modifies contract storage and contract code when sending an RPC request, a NodeJS library that integrates into Truffle framework and leverages Solidity contracts as API to modify the storage of the blockchain at will, and a set of precompiled GODMODE contracts that works in the forked mode. For example, MakerDAO that just mints DAI, Uniswap v2 enables the fee, Compound mint different C tokens. To mint DAI in one's Truffle test, now the developer only needs to do this. So it's pretty simple. And all you need to do to become the Fed is to add a for loop. I also provide a generic function so that the developer can do anything he wants. All he needs to do is to code another Solidity contract. No need to learn new stuff whatsoever. Now, let me quickly show you how this would look like. Now I'm in a sample Truffle project. Here I have a contract with privilege action and only owner can access it. The owner is set during deployment and there is no way of changing the owner. And this can also be seen in our tests. This is the Truffle test suite. And we have Alice and Bob. Alice is the owner, as you can see here, and she can access the privilege action. Under normal circumstances, when Bob tries to access this, Bob will not be able to do so. However, here, with the God mode enabled, the Bob actually can access the privilege action. And even going further, we can create a new function and set Bob as the owner. On the left, I have a modified Ganache running, and on the right, I have the Truffle test that utilizes the library. And that's it, all passed. That's a wrap. Thank you very much.